This is a Class 3 girls final. And that's Ashley Dyke. He was a finalist eighth at the Central Championship. She comes in here at 1.60 meters. Here she goes. Clips the bar. That's it. Get to the mark that they're at, the height. The record here, 1.83 meters in 2024, not so long ago. Zafian Bernard. This is Bennett again. Clips it. So a red flag here for the St. Andrew High School athlete. So expected to be a very competitive field. The athlete there would have already gone clear. So two St. Andrew High School athletes competing here. And this is Jan Davis. Got the automatic 1.60 meters to qualify for this final off the podium at Corporate Area Championship. Here she is now. Goes up and over. Gets clear. So she continues to compete for St. Andrew High School. Jan Davis. And one of two. And Dyke again, Ashley Dyke from Homewood Technical. There's another attempt. The high jump, and again clips it on her way up. So problems here for the athlete from Homewood Technical. And I reckon that could be her last jump, which means that she's out as the other athletes who have cleared that height make their way out to get warm, to keep warm in this Class 3 girls high jump final.
Not a lot to separate these athletes in the high jump. Kemoya Campbell of Edwin Allen, the Central Champs silver medalist. The Central champion, Brianna Stewart of St. Jago. There is SANIQUE Watt of Immaculate, who was very good in qualifying. I was impressed as well with Desta Robinson of Hydel in qualifying. One of the automatic qualifiers, I think there were 6 automatic qualifiers, and you had to get to 1.65 meters to get in automatically.
So the height now 1.60. Faria Anderson from Homewood Technical falls on the bar. Her first attempt at 1.60. Already seen her schoolmate Ashley Dyke go out at 1.55 meters. Which means that Desta Robinson from Hytel should be up next, and she goes clear. As we look there at Anderson from Homewood Technical. Competitor 428, getting some instructions, watching the video. Zodian Baker from Edwin Allen, number 3 this season.
Yeah, first time clearances at 155 and 160.
And goes
150 and 155, sorry.
And goes clear now at 1.60 meters, 160. So she goes clear, first attempt. Desta Robinson from Hydel also went clear, first attempt. Kemoy Campbell now from Edwin Allen, the runner-up silver medalist at Central Championship. First attempt at 1.60 meters, and there's a failure at 1.60 meters.
Yeah, that's her first failure of the competition. Desta Robinson does have one failure as well, the Heidel athlete. That was first time at 155.
SANIQUE Watt from Immaculate. First attempt now at 1 meter 60. That's the height she cleared to get into this final. Can she do it again? First attempt here. And goes up and goes clear with room. So goes clear, first attempt for Immaculate.
We started this final with 12 athletes. We've already lost 2 of them. Isabella Bennett of St Andrew High, and you pointed out Ashley Dyke of Homewood Technical. Very good clearance there, though, from SANIQUE Watt of Immaculate. She's a medal contender, there's no doubt about that.
And John Davis now took her a couple of attempts at 1 meter 55. Here she is, first attempt at 1 meter 60. In this final, clips it with her heel, had the height.
Yeah, needed all 3 attempts to get over at 155 and doesn't go clear first time at 160.
Here's another look at it. And just clipped it with the heel. And Brianna Stewart now from St. Jago. First attempt at 1 meter 60. And I think brushed it on takeoff with the shoulder or the back.
Yeah, that effort looked out of sorts for Brianna Stewart. This is her first failure in the competition. Critical that when the competition is so close that you reduce the failures as much as possible. You try to keep that card clean. Don't want to get bitten on count back.
Jantor Ricketts from Excelsior now. She also has a failure first time at 1 meter 60. The Eagle, she needs to soar, but it will take the second attempt at least. Alpha's Tiana Troop, and bronze medalist at the Carpetera Championship, didn't get clear at 1 meter 60 in the preliminaries, only got clear at 1 meter 55.